channel. Today I have a quick unboxing for a very cool upgrade for the Can-Am F3S Spyder. The riding season is about to start, the weather is warming up, so the item I'm going to be unboxing is an aftermarket slip-on exhaust from Two Brothers, and later on I'm going to be doing a video on why I picked this exhaust in specific and go down the list with you guys with all the other options for the Spyder F3 and F3S. So let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. This is the item I picked for the Spyder, an aftermarket slip-on stainless steel exhaust from Two Brothers. I'm gonna leave all the details and the reasons behind my choice for the install video. Oh, nice. So there's two boxes. Okay. You can tell right off the bat you purchased a high quality product. If Two Brothers package all their items this way, they have my vote. Check this out. I think this is the proper way to package an exhaust. You can tell they didn't spare any expense on packaging these things. So. I know this is made of stainless steel. The muffler end here is removable. Okay. Pipe. It goes from the header all the way to your muffler. So basically this is the cat delete. What else do we get? Of course you get a bunch of Two Brothers stickers. So check this out. They actually included the tool for removing those tension springs holding the factory exhaust in place. So this is going to make the job way easier. I see a couple of tension springs to hold the pipe and the aftermarket muffler together, so there are no bolts there. Yeah, and that's about it. And there's a manual, of course. So yeah, that's about it. I'm very excited for the install. I'll be making that video very soon, so you guys stay tuned. You never know what the next video is going to be about, so make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.